Hello everyone, it's me and Matthew. We're doing today's working on this another day in the life of a window cleaner with the series of Survival Month. It is day 8 of February 2025, which works out Tuesday the 11th of Feb. And we did have 14 cleans. We've had 3 skips, so I've got 11 cleans to do for today, which does put me underneath what I need to earn just to break even. But I can afford to take that the way this month's going as well so far, although we don't know what the future brings. The 3 skips we've all got the messages through sometimes in really early hours this morning, because all 3 people are actually abroad, they're on holiday, so that's how it is. And when you've got customers within a certain age group, with that brings problems. So you've got illnesses and all that sort of stuff, so I understand why people like to go to warmer climates for a holiday, and thankfully it doesn't happen all year round, so I just swallow it and get on with it. It's just the way it is. As long as it doesn't happen every day this month or during the winter, I'll be all right. So yeah, I know it's going to get some comments, but honestly, these are all good customers anyway. 2 of them are actually going to be rescheduled for some time, if possible, next week. So it's not like I've lost the work. It just means it's putting pressure on other days which are already busy. That's where I'm lucky really, because me and Matthew just keep working, and then my wife Teresa, she's juggling around with the jigsaw puzzle, trying to fit all the pieces to make it kind of work for us. And it's easier to do in the summer than when it is when you're still in sort of like winter hours. It still gets dark a bit early sometimes, especially when it's like now, overcast. So it does make it a bit hard, but you just do what you got to do, and I'm sure we'll sort it out. So we should be able to get all the work done today. But that said, anything can happen, anything can go wrong. Who knows? Join us. That's us done. 11 cleans done and dusted. Finished at 1:10 in the afternoon. That's really early for us, but like I said, I've had 3 skips as well. Some of them are big cleans, but they're all going to be rearranged because they're away on holiday. So that's how it is this time of year, isn't it? Sometimes, and I get it. So no problems there. At the 11 we've done, 5 have paid for automatic payments. I know for a fact 2 or 3 of them will have paid as well by the time I go home through bank transfers. So most of them have come in. And then the other ones, I know I don't have to wait long for them at all. So even though it's not like the amount we want as a minimum for the day, it's a bit below that, I know the majority of it's all going to be paid anyway. And the way this month's been going through survival month, I'm kind of okay with it. I know as long as we can work for the rest of the month with what's booked in, we'll still be fine, no problems. In fact, I'll be better off. So fingers crossed that it works that way. And then when I get in, obviously we're going to get the van squared away now for tomorrow. I'm going to get on at Pure Seal, trying to see if I've got a product that's going to help one of my customers out on the conservatory roof for like the staining from the lead flashing running down the glass. I've already tried, like I said, under rub out, and it was a lot of work with a walnut pad holder, but it didn't get it all off, and there's more. So I need a chemical really. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to come across this stuff somewhere else along the line, so I might as well investigate into it and have a go, and I really. As long as I keep everything all above board with the customer, I'll show them the products, where I got it from, how much it cost me, just so they're all aware of it. And I'm sure it'll all come out good in the end, and it'll be even better if I get the result they're after. That's definitely what I'd like to achieve, but you've got to learn your boundaries really, haven't you? And then stick within them, basically. That's why I'm just going to stick with window cleaning and not do pressure washing, cleaning roofs, that sort of thing. So yeah, that's it. That's today done. Day 8 out of the way. Survival month, all going well so far. Fingers crossed. Weather, it ain't nice, but we've been workable. It's not the worst yet. So like and subscribe. There'll be a video up here for you to watch. And thanks for watching.